the centre is asking states to impose curbs against political rallies, and Allahabad High Court there taking note of large crowds. Prime Minister, who chaired this review meet later in the evening himself, was at a political rally in Varanasi this morning. Akhilesh Yadav, who's in quarantine after his family members have tested positive for COVID, didn't attend the Aligarh rally, but the rally continued with large crowds anyway. Meher Pandey and Ajay Singh report.
Political rallies today in Uttar Pradesh with almost zero COVID-appropriate behavior, despite officials fearing lakhs of daily cases because of the growing Omicron threat. Hardly any COVID norms were followed at the PM's Varanasi event. Attended by thousands of unmasked people tightly packed together at the venue. Even Mr. Modi and UP Chief Minister Adityanath were filmed unmasked at multiple times during the 2-hour event. The Prime Minister's repeated visits to UP even before the elections are announced, he has spent 12 of the last 37 days in the state, have coincided with rising worry over the Omicron variant. But each of the Prime Minister's events, all organized by the government, have seen violations of COVID protocols, few masks and little social distancing.
सबसे कहा गया था और यहाँ लोगों को मास्क वितरित भी किया जा रहा है। ये जरूरी था कि मास्क लगा के आइए, लेकिन लोग मास्क लगाए हुए बहुत लोग नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं। हम उनसे जाके कह भी रहे हैं कि आप मास्क लगाइए। मास्क लगाना मस्ट है।
लापरवाही है, हमारी भी खुद की लापरवाही है और सब प्रशासन की भी लापरवाही, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है वहाँ पर रोक तो हमें रहे थे, लेकिन किसी को मास्क अनिवार्य नहीं कर रहे थे। उनको यह भी तो कहना चाहिए था सर कि मास्क लगा के अंदर जाइए।
From East UP to the West, in Aligarh, huge maskless crowds at this joint Samajwadi Party RLD joint rally.
Although Akhilesh Yadav skipped this rally last minute as his wife and daughter tested positive for coronavirus, the attendance ran into lakhs and no COVID guidelines were followed. Barely any masks, no temperature checks and no social distancing.
When asked about COVID protocol, extremely bizarre responses from both the public and the organizers.
कच्चू ना लगाया जा चाहिए है ही ना कोरोना
एक बात बताओ, किसान इतना मिट्टी में काम करते है तो एक बात बताइए, कोरोना काहे के हमारे देहात में तो किसी के है ना खून बहाव तो पसीना, किसी के है कोरोना, कोरोना है जो अंदर बैठे रहते हैं उनके।
अभी वैक्सीन लगी है आपको?
नहीं, हम नहीं लगवाते।
मुझे हो चुका है कोरोना और कई स्टडीज ये कहती हैं कि जिनको हो चुका है बहुत जल्दी उनको नहीं होने वाला।
The Samajwadi Party chief has even refused to get vaccinated, saying he will only get the jab when the Prime Minister's photo is removed from the vaccination certificate.
जिस दिन जो सर्टिफिकेट मिल रहा है उसमें भारत का झंडा लग जाएगा, उसी दिन का मैं वैक्सीन ले लूंगा।
In the last 2 months, the main parties, the BJP, the SP and even the Congress have organized crowded political events, but ensured little COVID-appropriate behavior. While UP reported just 21 fresh COVID cases on Wednesday and the overall active COVID cases in the state are just about 200, the reproduction factor in the state at over 1 as versus the All India average of 0.96 is a worry and indicates that there could be a rise. This is something that our netas need to worry about right now. With Ajay Singh, Meher Pandey and Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.